Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will talk about pattern loads, pattern live loads. What is pattern live load? Pattern live load means that we apply the load one by one slab panels and for during designing we combine all the results. Pattern live load, simply you can see that if live load is present on this panel or this panel or this panel or two or more panel, then what are the results? The main purpose of applying pattern live load is to get the maximum movement for the members that have less movement for live load or dead load. For this I can show here the example. You can see here that for simply dead load and live load the moments are 204, 71, 204. But even pattern live load has factor less than live load. Live load has a factor of 1.6 and pattern live load has a factor of 1.2. But you can see here the results. For pattern live load here 197 as compared to 204 in case of simple live load, slightly lower. But at mid portion for simply live load it is about 71, but for pattern live load is much higher, 112. Load magnitude is same. I can show here you the load magnitude for live load 80 pounds per foot square, and for pattern live load this is also the same magnitude, but the results are different. And how we can apply the pattern loads? So for this I will delete the analysis, delete other models, and I select two-way slab, number of panel 30, spacing 24. Okay, you can say slab thickness same 8-inch. Dead load additional 20 pound per foot square, live load 80. Here is written create auto live load pattern. I will not select this here. I apply the live load patterns later. Okay, I model the two-way slab here. Okay, select the slab area, and now I divide the area at intersection with visible grids, selected point objects on grid, intersection with selected line objects. A line object means beam. We divide the panels with respect to beams. Okay, now I will select one panel or panel. Here you can see the loads. Panel basically not divided. Okay, now panels are divided into 9 panels. 3 6 9 3 6 9. Okay, how to apply pattern live load? For applying pattern live load, there are two options: auto live load pattern and manual live load pattern. First we will try auto live load pattern. For selecting all the slab panels, click slab here. All panels are selected. Assign load data, surface load. Here is the pattern live load are not present. I add the load pattern here. PLL, pattern live load. Here is the two options are available: pattern live, auto pattern live. First we will try auto pattern live. That is easy, but pattern live load is somewhat time consuming. You have to apply individual loads on all panels. Okay, now we select pattern live load. Magnitude is the same, equal to live load. Okay, pattern live load are applied. Now we will add the load combinations. Add default load combination. No, we will add own combination 1.4 D, that is the other load combination. Stamp design ultimate, and then 1.2 dead, 1.6 simple live load. Then add new combination 1.2 dead, 1.2 pattern live load. Stamp design ultimate. 3 load combinations are created. Okay, now we will run the analysis. Okay, so we have a deformed shape for the this case. Now for simple live load pattern, the values from ranging from 120 to -400 e की पावर -3, and for values are 60 to -200. Okay, simply you can see here magnitude for both loads are same, but the effects are different. Now we will check the stresses. Now we check shear stress. My major moment has been discussed earlier, so we will check major shears. Show values are controlled in section. Okay, you can see here maximum 46.59 and minimum minus 46.59, but for pattern live load maximum 42.23 and minimum minus 25. Okay, now we will check the design. Select load pattern, select load cases. Okay, you can see here for some portion of beam the simply live load pattern are dominated, for some pattern live load are dominated. So steel the load combination are chosen for steel design with maximum moments or forces. You can see that for this concrete designs where the forces for the live load is lower and pattern live load is higher, the load combination of pattern live load are chosen, and where the forces for the live load are higher and pattern live load are lower, the load combination for the live load are chosen. And where dead load forces are higher, then dead load combination are chosen. So this all about this video. If you like this video, please share and comment.